Okay, this is the Renaissance Hotel in Fort Lauderdale down by the cruise port. This is the lobby area. Over here, there's a bar area. Right here. And then on this other side of the lobby is like a business center, okay? And then there's also a ballroom and a few other things right here. All right, this is more of the lobby. They've got some really cool like shells and kind of beachy vibes. This is a little place to eat breakfast and stuff. And they have a little marketplace over here with a microwave, which is good. So I did not see microwaves in the rooms. There was a little fridge. This is right next to the front desk. This little tic-tac-toe. There's also, it looks like maybe checkers or chess there. So that's cool. So normally there is also a lounge here, a club lounge, like a business lounge, but it is closed for refurbishment right now. This is room 1208. Okay. Bathroom is over here. Nice big mirror. It's pretty standard toilet there. We have Aveda here for the shampoo and stuff. And it's a shower and tub combo. Okay, the closet here. Let's take a look at that. It's fairly large. Carpet in here, which we all know I hate, but what do you do about it? This is a king bed room. One king bed, and there's a little sofa over here. There's television. And then some drawers here. Little tiny fridge. There. And there's the safe and a little bit more space down there. Fairly large work area, and they've added in a lot of helpful things here for HDMI and a bunch of other stuff. This is their little coffee bar there. And that is the king bedroom at the Renaissance. And here is the view outside. You can see the ocean right there in Fort Lauderdale. There's a lot of stuff within walking distance of here. It's right kind of downtown, so. Okay, this is the fitness center. Okay, not too bad so far. Just got a recumbent bike, a regular bike, and a few treadmills. It looks like there's 2 treadmills and 3 ellipticals. Oh, there's another treadmill there. It is a little fitness center, but it does have quite a few things. So there's weight sets over here. And right outside this door is a swimming pool. Here is the pool area. It's cozy. They've done a good job of closing it off to the main street outside. That is the whole pool. Starts at 3 feet over here, and it looks like it goes 5 feet in the middle and then 3 feet on the other side. So some fun little cabanas to sit in over here, covered spaces, which isn't bad. Oh, lizards! Look how cute they are. Huh. Bet you didn't see that one. Anyways, I love the animals. Okay. So this is it. I mean, that's the whole pool area. There is a hot tub. Let me show you that. Oh, look, a coconut. Okay, somebody tell me, is that a coconut? Are these coconut palm trees? If anybody knows, put in the comments if this is a coconut palm tree. Because I don't know my palm trees. But yeah, that looks like a coconut to me. Oh, and it's got a lizard on it. How cute is that? Okay. Anyways, back to the pool. So yeah, that is the whole pool area. And then over here in this little alcove is kind of a little secret hot tub over here. And there it is. Very tiny little hot tub. But they do have one. So there's that.